says in the thing not to do that.
Yeah, if it gets tangled up in that bird's nest, Reed got on top of his head.
Oh, I know. We'll never get it. We'll have to cut it out.
That's right, we'd have to cut it. Okay, Reed, see if it'll come on your head. So Megan and I can cut it out.
Oh, grab by the thing. That is cool, Bree. I want one.
What's that, bud? Noah.
Does everyone want to try? Cover up a little, then you guys can put it in one spot.
Hold on. Sleep. I want to see if I want to move it. I can move it.
Yeah, you are too, huh?
Yeah.
Because you're controlling the airflow, I got. Like you're affecting the airflow, so that's how.
Just gotta go really slow. That's all.
What are you aiming for, Steve? What are you aiming for?
Christmas tree.
That's that. Then when it gets to the
Watch for Noah.
Turn it off, Dad. Turn it off. Uh-oh.
Where's the off thing?
Man, push me, but it's not going off.
Got it. Yeah, let's leave it for now.
Got the late
But that's so
reaction.
cool.
That is.
Oh, yeah, it's pretty neat,
Did
eh?
you see that advertised on TV or something?
Yeah.
Did you?
Because they have that one.
Very delicate. You cannot let this get broke like this.
Yeah, look at it.
Oh, that. Something else.
It was a
Noah. Noah. Hey, buddy.
smile.
Isn't it?
But somewhere tiny.
Hold on. I was taking